Welcome to the OnLux training video for the shoulder garment. To utilize the shoulder garment, simply attach the battery onto the wrap itself. You will hear an audible click. At this point, you can drape the shoulder wrap over the shoulder. Use your healthy arm to bring the strap around, place it into the buckle and attach it. Then bring the bicep strap around and Velcro it. At this point, press the on button to the battery. You will hear an audible beep from the battery. At the conclusion, you will hear 3 audible beeps signifying the end of that specific session. At this point in time, you can remove the garment. During the session, you will be receiving photobiomodulation therapy, which consists of red light, infrared light therapy. Typical protocol calls for 3 sessions per day. However, your physician may provide you with a different set of protocols based upon your specific needs. Thank you.